Nah, bore them up.
I no send no screw. Oh, them no bore.
No.
I'm gonna go on the little tour. Alright, hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and I am here at Mr. Smith's house. Guys, we have delivered the window and I'm trying to get some assistance to see if I can get the windows to go in. But in the meantime, the house still remains the same. Reason is that I have only got the opportunity to pay Mr. Powell $100,000. Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. The house still remains the same. Reason is that I have only got the opportunity to pay Mr. Powell $100,000, and I want to thank Mr. Blake for sending that $100,000 so that I would be able to pay him. But what Mr. Powell is saying is that the $100,000 was used to pay the one workman that he took here with him. So the workman got all of the money, so now he would need another $100,000 in order to continue the work. So guys, you would have seen that no work was done for the past 3 weeks, right? It remains the same. It would have been completed by then. The bathroom as well remains the same, right? So, and I also got a little help from Deacon to see if he could help me to put in the windows in the meantime until I'm able to come up with that $100,000 to pay Mr. Powell. So what Mr. Powell is saying is that if he is not compensated, he cannot do any more work, and that is the amount he needs right now to do the job. So guys, this is the condition. Some of the boards would have been taken down because he said that they need a little bit more drying. So these ones were taken down because he said that he's going to get them dry because they were wet. When he put them up, they shrink. I think they shrink and they left a little space in between. So that's basically it. And we have here another challenge that we had faced. I'm gonna have to get something from the hardware for the duckans. So you can see in the ceiling, the duckans, they took over the entire house, the entire ceiling, the duckans. And basically what Mr. Smith used, he used some gas aisles. I think he said that it was a gas aisle that he used. When he come, I talked to him a little bit more about it. So I thought he said that he used the gas oil to so I have Deacon here helping me out to put in the windows. They're fitting in. Yeah, they're fitting in nicely. Oh, look nice, man. Alright, so the duckans, let me show you where the nest was. What Mr. Smith had to do was to search for the nest, and then he had to set fire. So the nest was right out here, and then some of them, they're under the house because it's an old house. So this was a nest. So I don't know, he caught it a fire and he destroyed all the duckants. So the only ones that were left were the ones that were crawling underneath. So they crawl on the ground and then they would come up and go underneath. So I'm gonna have to still get some chemical for him to spray around and underneath the house for the duckants to be completely gone. No, they're gone, you know, but you still don't know. So basically I'm gonna have to get that for him to spray. You can see their trail. So them take over the entire place, but no, there are no more now, but hopefully all will be well. Alright guys, so if you're out there and you can assist me with some money to pay the workman for Mr. Smith's house. You know, they have been doing a good job, and it's been 3 weeks now since Mr. Powell stayed off the job. And it's a little bit difficult. Where they? Yeah, it's been 3 weeks now since Mr. Powell stayed off the job. And to tell you the truth, guys, I had only $50,000 in my name because I'm not rich. So I said to him, I only have $50,000. So what I could do is take that $50,000 from my account and I can give it to you. But he was saying, yes, I can give him the $50,000. Remember, that's personal funds. And then he was saying that I can come up with the other 50. So I was saying to him that I can try and ask you guys for the other 50,000 and so on, or if you want to help me to contribute the 100,000 so that he can come and finish up the job, because that's what is basically happening right now. All right, so I'm getting some help putting in the windows. Mr. Simit is there carrying the windows. Just one leaf?
One more leaf. One for your bathroom.
Oh. Okay.
Yes, why, oh boy.
Alright, so Mr. Smith, what is happening now? Because right now I'm unable to pay Mr. Powell to complete the house. So you can ask for a little help out there for me, please?
Yes, we have to ask for help.
Yeah, so we can get some money to pay him.
Yes, sir.
But you not ask.
Me ask a little donation, miss. And we can complete him up.
To give him something, because
yes,
he was only given 100,000 and he needs more to continue working.
Yes, sir.
So if him don't get any more money, no more work will be done.
Yes, miss.
And then all of that. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So I will have to try and get help otherwise, yes, to see what else I can get completed. Lean up the window and go help him.
I couldn't boss.
No, but that I feed him house. So I see me to take off his shoes.
Where's one front that side?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Fit in. So we have Deacon there, guys, helping me out with putting in the windows, and Mr. Smith here helping out as well.
No, man, don't let it go.
Don't let it go. Answer Mr. Cole.
No, we're not the board hole on the side.
Yes, sir.
Because this, move your finger. This I feel locked down there, so
oh, it could have bore.
outside.
Yeah.
No, sir. No, no, sir. This is the only side. You see that, sir?
Yeah. I wonder if I saw them set it up. So that means that down there, so half is stiff.
Yeah.
That side. They have to make stiff.
Yeah. So that's it, how this build, you know.
You have no can
So, and
glue
just
it.
have a screw. Yeah, so. So me have to me put three screw in here, so. But behind this, so now, I maybe did have any silicone.
Wait, silicone sell out a road?
You look at silicone so that
You want me sending go back?
Yeah, silicone, I will silicone.
Alright.
Come back in, big man. Come back.
come here, sir.
Yeah, hold it. You raise your hand for
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yeah, because I don't want to drop out, you know.
No, no, drop out, sir.
Drop out, me not buy back, you know.
Don't, sir.
Oh,
sir.
okay.
No, drop out, sir.
Oh.
Oh, me hold it, sir. Me hold it.
Yeah.
A
A long time you don't get the boom, no true?
Where? Oh,
No true?
Yeah, no.
You can't write some man, how you mean?
I'm a Christian. You're a Christian, not true?
Huh?
I say you're a Christian.
When I sir. When father guy me tell me to you know thing China, sir.
What you say, when Father God help you get one?
So man, sir, me sir.
Oh, so Father God no help you here now?
Yeah, father guy me sir.
You want what you say?
Yeah, you come, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
You know him?
You know me, sir?
No most man, the place of a ballet or so.
I want name Cane Peace.
Out of Canefield.
Oh,
Where you know me from, sir? Who are you know from me, sir?
Right way.
Outside.
Who and who me know from Silo? Eh?
Yeah.
You know everybody in a Silo, man.
Yeah, so one case of me, no, sir, man.
Then I can tell you something know everybody.
what you want to know your family? Who you related to?
Where you
Oh,
Who me related to? You see me just like you. So let me tell
so
you.
on our family? It on our family? Eh?
I can't jacket.
What, how no become related?
You know see me tell me I see me.
Oh, Barbara. So how you know say I see it?
Then me not hear you call him see me tell me know him long time I see me. When him a collect money out around.
Oh. So you don't know if you're not related? Okay.
Because me can't bore two sides you know one.
Yeah, because they know how to bore it. What?
I want to lift you up and make you screw with it.
Yeah, make you screw them there every single thing there.
Oh,
Oh, you want something to turn up on?
You want me to sit down there, sir. Go please, sir. And jump in there.
Wait there, out of the
Sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir.
It chair.
Yeah. Get us out with that.
So this one is in. So guys, this window is in currently. Stiff and all that. I'm gonna use the bathroom and come back.
Where bathroom is it?
No bathroom to them. So my bathroom. Atanala.
It's locked now.
Yeah, you have to push it down. I wait. Me so come.
Listen.
Now come back. Stay around there. Don't worry about it. Just raise your hand. Come round that side there. Come round that side there.
Oh, come on, sir.
Let me handle that side there with hard. Be good. You think you can handle the right boy?
Why you just
Come back round that side there now.
Yeah, come back on, sir.
But them are the right fit. Me did that fret so they look little.
You jump out.
Me not jump, me not hold it, me not. You hold it. Me say me hold it. Oh.
But you know no more window more than them, eh? Mr. Simit,
Yes, miss.
them a window are perfect for you.
Yes, miss.
You know what? No more window. The bathroom one not have to go in. So nobody go for it.
The bathroom, miss.
Yeah, when he finish the bathroom, him put it in.
It's not miss.
Kinda done it.
I'm going to sell the pin and put the pin on this side. I'm going to be going quicker. And say, you push it back on this way.
You're not sinking deep, you man, now, you boy. You idiot.
Who you idiot?
Me say you are idiot.
You say me idiot with that.
If you are idiot, me say you are idiot.
You say me idiot, you say me don't know sense. And you want to listen to me, brother.
And him one can sink it deep.
Yeah, you want to listen, man. Why you wicked, you know?
Yeah, straight no, Mr. Simit. You have to tell him, say him one can sink it.
You want to talk, you know, you.
Yeah.
You want to talk.
No, sir.
You know, when I go to no go to you know.
What am so?
Yeah, but I go to no go to me da. When you say you gone.
Over what, woman? Why?
You know, say I'm not problem. You want anything go to go to laughing then.
That's it, no evening. You want the chair?
Cool. Sit down and keep it.
You want drinking chat? You have drinking chat no?
I want to say.
You have drinking chat me da? Okay, but you go bossy.
Not going.
Around pass you put it better. Then you pop it put it in the
Honey and cereal.
Make the bed still.
Don't trouble the bed.
You look, my cereal look, you know.
Come around here, sir.
You look, my finger the better, man. You look, my cereal too much. My cereal,
Pat one me just give you.
You want to ask argument, you know? You say, yo, are you going on, yo? I don't say I love from.
Yeah. So all. Yeah, man, no problem. Alright, guys. So all 3 windows. Go on, baby. All 3 windows are in. So thanks to Deacon. Deacon, thank you very much for the little help.
Yes, sweetie pie.
So we are gonna leave now. So 1, 2, 3. The bathroom one is not going to go in until in here is finished. And I'm going to work on getting it completed. Because guys, to be honest, we don't have as much money to pay the workmen.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of